So today we're going to be replacing this ignition lock cylinder because if you guys know, I've been starting with a screwdriver since we lost the key to it. But I ordered another one and I'd rather have the key, so let's get this thing done. Take that off, and then there's 3 screws there. Okay, got those off, and then it's this nut or something. I'm guessing it's the nut. I'm kind of winging this. Alright, that nut is loose. I'm just going to take it all the way off. Now, pull the steering wheel off. I don't have a steering wheel puller, so I'm going to use a hammer and see if that works. Well guys, when in doubt, use a hammer. I started with this one. It was too dinky. Got a bigger one, and it did the trick. So basically this thing compresses it. And yes, I put on shorts because I was dying of heat. It compresses it so that I can get a flathead in here and take this ring off. See if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. Get the little clip thing out of there. So now this is the blinker system. It's like that, and then the wipers and whatnot. So kind of cool to see how that works. Looks like it's 1 screw there for this turn signal lever, 1 screw in here for the hazards, and then however I get this assembly out, let's do that. So now I'm just trying to get this switch moved out of the way enough that I can get to the ignition lock cylinder, and the issue I keep having is the horn goes off if I bend it the wrong way. Yep, like that. So actually I might disconnect the battery, that'll help. Alright, so the screw is back here. It's in there, and it's a, see if we can get it out of there. So here's the pin that I pulled out with my magnet, just to make sure I didn't drop it. So supposedly this lock cylinder should come out now. There it is. Bingo bango. So we're gonna insert this with the little notch. Push it in. Oh, there we go. I think I got it in correctly. Like that. So let's go ahead and put it back together, I guess. Well, this is interesting, guys. So I got this all in, back installed. Seems to be working well. Just wait for this buzzer to go off. Turns well, but it does not start the car. I put the battery back in and everything. You can hear it clicking it over. So I'm wondering if I damaged the wiring when I did my hammering of the ignition switch. We're going to trace the wiring back now and see what's going on with this. Alright guys, I found my blender. If we come to the starter under here. If you guys remember from last video, I was jumping the solenoid and I must have knocked off this little dinky wire up there from the starter. I just reattached it and she's good to go now. Alright, so let's see if this thing starts up now. I'll give it a 4 pumps. Might be not enough, but we'll see. I think it's gonna need a couple more than that. This guy's heavy on the pumps. There she goes. Had been sitting for a while. Usually it starts a lot better than that. All fixed up. Perfect. Okay, well, it's a couple months later and I'm ready to sell this thing so I can get a little more money. So let's pull it out of here if it starts and do a little bit of body work. I have not driven it in about 3 or 4 months. First things first, we're going to try to start it. All right, well, she started up. Let's shovel a little bit and get it out of here. Well, let's see if we can pull it out of here. Guess who's dumb and forgot that you have to lock the hubs on these damn things? That would be me. Let's lock them. I don't think we'll have a problem anymore. Well, there we go. Terrible welder. And it could be because I have the world's worst welder. But don't judge. Here we go. Maybe give me some tips if you see what I'm doing wrong. I just can't never get it right. Well, there you go. There's my butt ugly weld. Now I just gotta grind it down. So there it is. It does not line up perfectly, but this truck is not a $10,000 truck. This will pass inspection, and that's all we need. Time to do the other side. So this was kind of hard to get started because this is actually Bondo up here, and I had to get through that to get to the metal, but now we got it started. Well, there's that stupid side done. Blech. I'm gonna try to grind this one down a little bit too. I'm gonna try some add Bondo to both sides, and hopefully we'll smooth that out a little more. Alright, well, there's my body work done, so it's got the new cab corners. I did a little bit back there. I want to head to the store, grab some flat black paint to make it look better, because right now it's just the Bondo color. But there's the cab corners. Then we're gonna stop by the inspection station because the inspection's up this month. So we'll see if it passes with this beautiful body work. Let's go to the store. Well, the inspection shop was closed because it's Christmas Eve, which I forgot, but got some flat black paint on it. And yeah, there's the product. So, you know what? It's good enough for me. This will be the second sale of the K10. Second time around, I'm just listing it. I'm not making as big of a profit off of it. I had like probably over 100 people message me in the first 10 minutes. I put it on Craigslist on Facebook. So whoever's getting it is apparently getting a really good price. But taking the plates off now. Hopefully they enjoy it.